Hello friends, this is Harish Panchal and welcome to my YouTube channel, and today we will discuss about the future continuous tense. We use two forms in this tense, and this tense is used in three situations. So let's start our video and find out what are the two forms and what are the three situations in this tense. We use this tense in three situations. The first situation is interrupted action in the future. Second situation is specific time as an interruption in the future, and the third situation is parallel actions in the future. And we use two forms in this tense. First is will be plus present participle, and second is be plus going to be plus present participle. So our first situation is interrupted actions in the future. So for example, I will be watching television when you arrive at my home. So in this sentence we have used will be plus present participle, and this is the first form, okay, will be plus present participle. And if we have to change the sentence into second form, so the same sentence we can convert it into like I am going to be watching television when you arrive at my home. Okay, so here what we are using is mr plus going to plus be plus present participle. So these are the two forms, and both the sentences are correct. There is no change in their meaning, so you can use either this one or that one. So both the sentences are correct. Okay, so the second example is she will be doing work when we call her. She will be doing work when we call her. So here we have used will be, okay, plus present participle. So if we want to change the sentence, so we can make she is going to be doing work when we call her. She is going to be doing work when we call her. This is our second situation, but both the sentences are same. There is no change in the meaning of the sentences. Okay, so this is our first situation. Now the second situation is specific time as an interruption in the future. For example, at 6 p.m. I will be drinking tea. At 6 p.m. I will be drinking tea. So at 6 p.m. is our specific time, and I will be drinking is our continuous form. So we can change the same sentence into our second form. For example, at 6 p.m. I am going to be drinking tea. So both the sentences have the same meaning, and there is no change in their meaning. Another example is you will be playing at 2 p.m. You will be playing at 2 p.m. Here in this sentence we have used will be plus present participle, and at 2 p.m. is our specific time. So if you want to change the sentence into a second form, so sentence will be you are going to be playing at 2 p.m. Okay, you are going to be playing at 2 p.m. So both the sentences have the same meaning. There is no change in the meaning of all these sentences. You can use either will be or you can use be plus going to form. Both the sentences are correct. Okay guys, so we have done our two situation, and now we are doing our third situation. The third situation is a parallel action in the future. For example, I will be studying and she will be sleeping. I will be studying and she will be sleeping. So there are two actions which are happening at the same time in the future. So if you want to change the sentence into a second form, though, so the sentence will be I am going to be studying and she is going to be sleeping. Okay, so both the sentences have the same meaning. There is no change in their meanings. And second example is you will be watching a match while your brother will be reading a novel. Okay, so if we want to change the sentence with our second form, so example will be you are going to be watching a match. You are going to be watching a match while your brother is going to be reading a book. So here we have seen that both the sentences are the same. Okay, and there is no difference between their meaning if we use will be plus present participle or we use be plus going to plus present participle. So as a helping verb, we have two helping verbs in this tense. First is will be, okay, and second is mr plus going to be. So what main verb we have to use? We have to use the present participle, first form plus ing. So here are the few examples of this tense. Like if we want to use will be plus present participle, so sentences could be like I will be watching television, we will be playing cricket, and you will be eating food on time, and they will be playing a match, she will be reading a book, and he will be buying a newspaper, so and so. Okay, so we can make sentences like that. And if we want to use the second form, be plus going to be plus present participle, so we can make the sentences like I am going to be using the sanitizer, we are going to be buying some apples, they are going to be dancing in the party, she's going to be doing her homework, he's going to be eating an apple. So we can use the future continuous tense with these two forms, and we can use this tense in three situations. Okay, so thank you so much for your time, and have a nice day to all of you. Bye bye, take care.